Hi everybody, welcome to Living Better with Carrie Bond. Today I'm going to show you how to make your eyelashes look fuller and longer with makeup. So on this eye, I'm just going to put some mascara and I'm just going to use it, I don't know, maybe the way a lot of people use it, the way that I used to use it before I learned some techniques that I'm going to show you. My lashes are very short and they stick straight out. They don't have much curl to them. So I'm going to show you on this eye. On this eye, I'm just going to apply some mascara without doing anything else. Okay. I don't know if that even helped. On the other eye, I guess it helped a little. But I want them to look fuller and longer than that. So on this eye, I'm going to apply a little bit of liner right there on my lash line. And that's going to thicken those lashes up so you can't see gaps between them, between my eyelashes. So it just makes them look fuller. You can also use a dark eyeshadow if you don't use liner or if you don't like the liner. Okay, second, I'm going to curl my lashes. So because they look like they're just sticking straight out, when I open my eye, you don't really see them curl up too much, and that's where you would see your lashes and the lash length is when it would curl back. So I'm going to give them a good curl and hold that for a few seconds. This is like one of my favorite tools. It's so important to have your lashes curled and flipped back. Otherwise, they're just sticking straight out and you can't even see the length of them. Okay, then another important step. So this is step 3. Step 1 was fill in the gaps with the liner. Step 2 was curl your lashes. And then this is step 3, and this is very, very important. Here's where the technique comes in. Okay, so looking up, and then you grab your lashes at the bottom and wiggle up. The other side, remember, I just put on and just pulled it through straight. To get the most out of your mascara, you grab your lashes at the bottom, and then you wiggle and pull up at the same time. This makes sure that each lash gets coated. And make sure that at the bottom you grab that lash because you want to get the mascara all the way down at the bottom so that it creates fullness and length. And then you just continue to do that throughout the lash. And I don't have any eyeshadow on yet, so it looks kind of funny. And then if you get any little clumps, you just take your brush and kind of jab those out. Okay, so already, can you see how much fuller this eye looks than this eye? Then, you want step number 4, you want to make sure that you don't forget the tips of your lashes. So you really want to make sure that you grab, I just messed up my eye. Okay, I'm going to not pay attention to that part. You want to grab the tips of your lashes and make sure that those got a good swipe of mascara as well. Okay, then you want to take your favorite eye makeup remover, which I actually have a video on my favorite eye makeup remover, which is Neutrogena. And no, I'm not paid to say that. I'm not paid to say anything, actually. And just see how easy that comes off with that eye makeup remover. It's terrific. Okay, so now you can check out the length compared to that and the fullness. And that, see how much that liner just helped? And when I have my eyes open, look at this eye versus this one. And you can see there's a big gap. I'm just going to show you, like right here. And the lashes look very thin. Okay, so another step that you can take, I usually don't do this, but if you're really glamming it up for some reason, you can put on another coat of mascara when this one dries, and your lashes appear much fuller and much longer. So try it out. I hope it helps, and hit subscribe and watch some more of my videos, and leave some comments if you have any comments to say or any questions that you want to ask. I'll make sure to get back with you. Thanks.